My name's Peter Beringer. I work for Bethesda Ministries, and I am a systems engineer. So Bethesda Ministries is made up of about 1,000 people, of which we have about 5 or 6 IT people, and that's managing over 800 endpoints between access points, cell phones, computers, everything. And our organization, we have a different bottom line than a lot of other organizations. We are a nonprofit ministry where we look at, instead of bottom line being dollars and cents, we look at changed lives is where our bottom line is. Currently, we're using Desktop Central with the MDM, and then we're also using ServiceDesk Plus. We have the free version of the AD Self-Service Manager, so we're dabbling in a few extra products as well, and have loved what we've seen so far. We've loved the tight integration, and we've loved just the freedom that it gives us to do our job more rather than having to worry about the tools and the products. We've been using it since June, so just a few months, but already we've seen an improvement in the way we manage our tickets, the way we can really get our users the kind of service and response that we really want to provide to them, with notifications, with better and accurate data, better reporting, all sorts of things that are improved since we've made the jump. So when we were in search of some new products that were going to help solve some problems for us, we looked out in the marketplace and looked at what we were currently using, if there were new versions of it, and what we found was that Desktop Central and ServiceDesk Plus especially solve the problem for us of not being confident in our tools. We were not confident that the patching that we were doing with our previous product was actually doing the patching that it said that it was supposed to be doing, as well as the sort of limited help desk ticketing software that we were using just didn't really provide the metrics that we really wanted. So the ManageEngine products really address those. The previous product we were using gave us very limited metrics on how our systems were being patched. So we were not confident in how that product was working. When we started using Desktop Central, we noticed that we could pull reports and we could see actual patches that were applied to actual machines. And so it was real metrics in real time that gave us confidence in the product. I think some of my favorite features in Desktop Central are the way that I can access remote machines straight from a single, the single pane of glass that all these software manufacturers talk about. Being able to have the tight integration between ServiceDesk Plus and Desktop Central is wonderful. It saves us a lot of time, saves us a lot of data entry of having to maintain 2 separate systems. And one of the things that I love the most is that there's free versions. There's free versions of the product that allow you to really test the waters, get your hands dirty, implement it, and see if it's going to work for you. I would wholeheartedly recommend ManageEngine, and here's why. The access to staff, the access to developers, the access to the support team is wonderful. I've been able at several different conferences to be able to talk with team leads, people that I just walk up to and they're able to answer my technical questions, they're able to answer my roadmap questions, and then just access on the back end, being able to email somebody, being able to call somebody, and get the answers that I'm looking for.